Hello everyone, my name is Anthony, and today I'll be explaining my Capstone project. The app is called TrackBuddy. It's an Android mobile application. So TrackBuddy is a personal wellness and productivity app. It's designed to help users track their goals, journal their thoughts, and then log also their physical activities all in one place. Um, and I got the idea because in today's world, many people can sometimes struggle to stay consistent with their personal goals and their wellness habits. Most people often can use different apps for journaling, fitness tracking, and trying to set goals. So, TrackBuddy solved to do this by combining all three of these aspects into one simple and clean Android app. So, some of the research shows that journaling improves mental health, setting goals also increases productivity in people, and then tracking physical activity helps maintain healthy habits. So I feel that by bringing TrackBuddy together with all these aspects in one place, it's going to make it a lot easier for users to stay not only accountable for their actions but also motivated. The app is built using Kotlin and Jetpack Compose for the UI, along with Firebase Authentication for a secure sign-in, and then the Firebase Firestore for real-time data storage. And without further ado, let me show you how the app works. So here, when we first start the app, let me actually make the screen a bit bigger. When a user first runs the app, they will get presented with the welcome page, showing them the app, what's it saying, and then having the option to get started. From there, once you get started, it will then take you to the sign-in page. The sign-in page has options here to sign in with your email and your password, along with an option to remember you. If you were to, for example, try putting something like Tim1234 and then make your password really vague, you could press sign in and it would not let you. And for example, you also have the option to hide your password to show it. Since this is not a real account, I can just go ahead and show you that. But you also have the option then from the app to view the forgot password section. Here's where you can enter your email address to then receive a notification link to reset your password and to change it, so that way you can sign back in. From there, we can also go to the About Us page. This is basically just explaining what the app's goals, the missions are, what it was built with, and the overall aspects of the app. Here, we actually have the sign up page. So if I were to make an account, I'll just say Tim Hef, and I could just put a fake email, and the system will actually detect if you are using and entering all the correct aspects or characters for it, and it will actually give you a notification saying that it's wrong and to please correct it. So right now I just have, for simplicity, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Obviously that does not work. It's asking the user to um, enter the special characters it's requesting, so one uppercase letter, and there's more requirements, but for now there's just the simplicity of how to log in. If we were to go back to sign in, we will just enter our email and our password and we can sign in. But for this sake, I'm also going to be showing you the Firebase store and also the storage, seeing how it works and how it coincides with the app. So if we're going to be resetting our password, just to show you a demonstration of how it will work, I'm going to be entering one of my emails that I've made for this account called antespin12 at gmail.com. We will resend the reset link. From there, I will then transfer over to my emails and I will show it in one bit. Now let me transfer the screen just so everyone can see what's happening. And here we have our email asking us to reset our password. Okay, from here, if we click on the link, we're then seeing that we have used the email that we created the account with, and we are then asked to enter a new password, and we can save it from there. I will also be showing you the Firebase cloud base and the database of it. So here we can actually see some of the users that were already used to just give examples of how the accounts work. If I got to the account that I created, you can clearly see that I have my email, my first name, my last name, and all the user info detail there. Okay. Now if we head back to the app and we sign in, we can actually explore some more options and features that are inside the app. Okay. go ahead and sign in. From here, we will be presented with the home page. The home page at this point has 4 features for the user to select and use from. If we wanted to go to the first one, which was add a goal, we would have options to add a goal title, a description, and then the target date of when you wanted to accomplish these goals. Once you do that, you can save goal and it'll take you back to the home screen. In this case, I have already created examples that we can view later. So I'm just going to go back to home. And now some other options we could choose are activity, create journal. Let's go with activity. An activity will have a similar option for you to enter the type of activity you're doing, the duration of how long it was, and then any notes you wanted to add for it. If we go back to the home screen, we can see that we have 2 more options. We can create a journal entry. From the journal entry, again, once we enter the title of whatever our journal entry is, we can then select the content and put what is related to. We can save our journal entry, and then once we go back to the home screen, there we can actually see and view and edit our journal entries. So for this demonstration, I've created 3 examples already. So in some of these, I have already shown 3 examples. So with this, you also have the option to edit your journal entries. So for this one, eat veggies, I could change it to eat veggies on April 5th. And from there, I could just simply save and edit. And now it'll save my journal entry. And if I go back to view and edit, I can clearly see that it has saved my progress. If we were to go back now to our Firebase, we can actually see the activities and the goals that were also saved onto our account. So let me go ahead and switch that for you guys. There you go. Okay. Now that we're here on Firebase, I can actually show you that with the account we have created, it has also saved some collections of the activities and goals that the user has created. So if I go to activities here, you can see that there's 3 current examples that I have used. If we go down to the last one, we can see that one of the activity types we created was running. The duration was 10 minutes, and then just a little bit of notes saying that we ran for about 10 minutes. If we were to go next to our goals, we can clearly see that we have more examples. If you choose any one of the 4 here, you'll see that we started the description. We started to prepare to run a 5K. The target date was around May 30th, and the title was just running 5K miles for a marathon. And overall, this is the demonstration of the app and how it functions and how it works. So TrackBuddy demonstrates overall how modern Android tools like Firebase and Jetpack Compose can be used to build a fully functional real-world application. Thank you for watching. I hope this was educational and helpful to those who came down and viewed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a good one.